Exercise 6.3, question number 16. Show that the tangents to the curve this at the points where x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 2 are parallel. Okay. So first of all we will find out slope of the tangent at x equals to 2 first, then slope of the tangent x equals to minus 2. If both the slopes are equal or same, we can say then the tangents are parallel to each other. Okay, that only we want to show. So first of all I am finding dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to 7 constant. Derivative of x cube is how much? 3x square. So that is equal to how much? 21x square. So therefore dy by dx at x equals to 2 is equal to how much? 21 into 2 square. That will be how much? 21 into 4. That is equal to how much? 4 1 the 4 4 to the 8. That is what m1 means slope of the first tangent at x equals to 2. And dy by dx at x equals to 2 at x equals to minus 12. That is what? 21 into minus 2 square. That is same 21 into 4. That is equal to 84. That is nothing but slope of the second tangent. So here what you are observing, slope of both the tangents are same. Therefore both tangents are parallel to each other. Now question number 17. Find the points of the curve y is equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to its y coordinate. Okay. So first of all we will find out dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to what is the derivative of x cube? 3x square. Now this is slope. What they are saying, find the point of the curve and with the slope of the tangent. So the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate, so that is equal to y coordinate. dy by dx at x y will be 3x square. That is equal to y. So slope is equal to y coordinate. Okay. Also y is given how much? X cube. So therefore I can say from here x cube is equal to 3x square. You see? So therefore x cube minus 3x square is equal to 0. X square taking common. What will make x minus 3 is equal to 0? It means x equals to 0 or x equals to 3. Now when x equals to 0, y is equal to how much? 0 cube, that is what? 0. So therefore one point we got 0 comma 0. Now when x equals to 3, when x equals to 3, y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 3 cube, that is equal to 27. So therefore another point we got 3 comma 27. Okay, so these are the 2 points on the curve. These are the 2 points on the curve and with the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate. Okay. Now question number 18. For the curve base, find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Okay, so question is simple like this. Suppose this is a curve, then this is the tangent which is passing through origin. For the curve base, find all the points. We want to find out the points on the curve. Okay, mark it very important sum. Okay, so first of all we find out dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to what? 4 into 3x square minus 2 into 5x plus 4. That is 12x square minus 10x plus 4. Okay. Now dy by this point I am assuming let it be AB. Now this point AB is on the curve also. So what will you get? Y is equal to 4a cube minus 2 a raised to 5. As the point is on the curve, the point will be satisfied by the curve. Second, dy by dx at the point AB will give a slope of the tangent. So that will be how much? 12a square minus 10a raised to 4. Now this is slope of the tangent and this is the point. So equation of the tangent I get. Equation of tangent is y minus y1, that is d, is equal to m. M means 12a square minus 10a raised to 4. 12a square into 10a raised to 4 into x minus x1, that is a. Now this tangent passes through, give it equation number 1. Now 0 0, see this line is passing to 0 0 also. Now 0 0 belongs to 1. So therefore wherever you see x, there also you put 0, and wherever you see y, there also you put 0, because the point will be satisfied with the equation. 0 minus b is equal to 12a square minus 10a raised to 4 into 0 minus a. therefore I will get minus b is equal to minus a into this. So minus minus will get cancelled. So b is equal to a into 12a square minus 10a raised to 4. So therefore b is equal to 12a cube minus 10a raised to 5. Now this b, here this point, okay, here AB belongs to this, means here I have to write B, as the point is on the curve. So in place of y I have to write B, and in place of x I have to write A. So B is 4a cube minus 2a raised to 5 also, and B is 12a cube minus 10a raised to 5 also. So equating, that is nothing but 4a cube minus 2a raised to 5. So from here, what you will get? 12a cube minus 4a cube, that is 8a cube minus 2a raised to 5 will come here. So minus 8 raised to 5 is equal to, or you can say 8a raised to 5 minus 8a cube is equal to 0. What is common? 8a cube common. So what you are getting? A square minus 1 is equal to 0. It means a is equal to 0 or a square is equal to 1. Means a is equal to 0 or a is equal to plus or minus 1. Now when a is equal to 0, what is b? B will be 4 into 0 cube minus 2 into 0 to 5, that is 0 to 0. Therefore 1 point I got 0, 0. Of course that tangent is passing through 0, 0. So this curve may be passing through like this also. Okay, second, when a is equal to 1, b is equal to how much? You can say 4 into 1 cube. 4 minus 2 into 1 raised to 5 will be equal to 1 into 2, that is 2. So therefore another point I am getting 1, 2. And third point, when a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to how much? B, anywhere you can put b. 4 into minus 1 cube will be minus 4, and minus 2 into minus 1 is to 5 will be minus 1, so that will be plus 1, so minus 2. So therefore I am getting minus 1 comma minus 2. Another point